What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So I'm going to go over the bullish case and the bearish case for Coinbase Global. Well, it looks like for the bearish case, price is below this trend line right over here. And then price was just under this steeper trend line, but it looks like it's starting to trade outside of it, which is a good sign. It's starting to break outside of that downward trend line. Also for the bears, price is below the EMA. And there was this long-term trend line in play that the bulls have lost as of right now. They can still recover it, but as of right now, they have lost this bullish trend line right over here. For the bulls, we did reach a measure move target and exceeded it, so it's due for a reversal. Not always the case. You will see a reversal at a measure move target, but generally you will. So we are due for a bounce, especially because this horizontal level that price is currently trading at the 170 where it bounced from, or even the 180s, was prior support. So as you can see here, this was prior resistance in the past. That didn't turn into support here. A failed breakout lower, came back up, found support, and now we're still at that same level again. So we have support in play. We have a measure move target that potentially has come to an end, or the measure move target has been met, and the downtrend has potentially come to an end. Price is breaking the first trend line, which is a good sign. We just need to see strong buying. Once we see strong buying, there's a good chance that we'll see much more higher prices. Reason being is that price will have recovered this bullish trend line right over here that it failed at, that it lost. So overall, I think Coinbase is just chopping back and forth in the short term. The macro picture still looks bullish, in my opinion. It still looks like we can continue higher. I think a lot of these crypto-related companies are just waiting for Bitcoin to rally, because as right now, it's just consolidating, not doing much. Looking at the weekly chart, this was the first trend line set by Coinbase, and then it went instead of a steeper trend line, and it looks like price is about to lose it, or has lost it. It's trying to recover it. I think once we see strong buying, price breaking into the 200s, it's probably going to rush up to the 240s, 250s, and then potentially even higher from there. Measure move target to the upside is still in play. We have one leg up right here. This will be the second leg up, and this is the target at $400. So this was the first attempt by the bulls that failed. We saw a correction lower, and now this could be the second attempt by the bulls. So we can repeat what has happened before. If you copy this impulse right over here, you drag it over. Let's say we do something similar once again in the future. So let me copy the arrows, drag it over, and let's say we do something similar. It could reach up to the 370s by June. So it can happen very quickly if we do something similar like last time. Sometimes the market does repeat these fractals. We'll see if it does it again. But as right now, it's at the end of a correction. In my opinion, it looks like it's due for a bounce and a reversal. And I'm looking for higher prices, the 240s, and potentially surpassing that to reach the 300s, and then potentially even the 400s, where the measurement target is, probably to retest this prior high. Price has dropped a considerable amount, already about 50%, but price has dropped a considerable amount before as well. This was about also a 48, 49, 50%, and now we're doing the same thing again, 48, 49, 50%. So about the same size drop right over here is the same size drop as right over here, and price still managed to rally higher. So see what happens. I just need to see aggressive buying. If we don't see aggressive buying, then we have to look for the other side of the story, which is lower prices. So probably the 150s where this support is at, and then maybe even the 116 where this support is at. But as right now, I still think the bulls have an opportunity to change the direction of the short-term price action. So all I have for Coinbase Global on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.